Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Chandra Anam, and today I have a special guest,
My name is Izar.
and right now I wanna discuss about cybersecurity.
Oh, that's interesting. Tell me what is cybersecurity then?
But before, are you know what is cybersecurity?
Unfortunately, I don't know anything about it.
So, yeah, basically cybersecurity is the cyber is internet,
Okay.
and security like security.
Hmm?
The definition is we are secure what we are personal data in internet.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so in this day, in the digital era,
Yes.
many people have a smartphone yet.
Okay.
Kids, they are have phone right now,
Yeah, they have.
and with connect in internet.
Hmm?
But in this day, there are many cases of cyber attack.
Oh, that's cool.
Now you know what is kind of cyber attack,
What is that?
like phishing.
What is that?
Yeah, you click a link and then your sign in data, and the hacker will steal your data. That's
Oh.
phishing.
That's
And not only phishing, there are so many kind of cyber attack. Like cyberbullying is included in the cyber attack right here. You have a cyberbullying someone, right?
unfortunately, I have bullied someone.
Ah,
It's really bad then.
I know you are a for Jerome Pauline.
No, I'm not hesitant because his prediction always right, but now,
But like I said before, the kids now have a smartphone, and I think they are have to get a cyber security education.
yes, that's important.
Yeah, from the cyber security education, there are so many benefits.
Okay.
Like first of all, the Gen Z, we said Gen Z, right?
Yes.
The Gen Z, we can equip that with a critical thinking.
Oh.
Yeah, they are can know. Oh, this link is sus.
SAS.
Yeah, suspicious. So I think there are so many. Sorry, the Gen Z will think this is not right. I will leave it. So with the education of cybersecurity, they are have to capable know what the right, what the wrong.
Okay.
And from our article that I read from Rahman et al. 2020, this capable thinking is empowered them to inform decision responsible in digital society, and not what they say. The Gen Z will know what they typing in the internet
Okay.
is there there in any time. Apa ya namanya? Kayak kakak selalu di situ lah typingannya. Jadi
Okay. Interesting.
jejak internet lah kita bisa bilang. Ya, you know.
Yeah, I know.
And furthermore, they are the Gen Z will empower analyzing risk. There are no risk for using internet. They are will what is called hati-hati.
Careful.
Yeah, they are will be careful for using internet, and especially for they are going into such website
Oh, SAS website.
or website that blocked from the government in Indonesia.
Oh, that's kind of website.
Yeah, you know, right?
I do know it very well.
And this cyber education not only beneficial for Gen Z or anybody, but it benefit for government. From the cybersecurity, they are building a foundation, right?
Okay.
From the foundation in there, they can teaching kid to understand what the internet kind, what the cyber security like a coding, a programming. So when they pass the foundation this, they can work for the government in government agencies, we can say, to get safeguarding sensitive data, property, intellectual property, and safety the national cyber. And so, what do you think about what I say? Are you agree or not? And you have any
Yeah,
suggestion?
because right now in Indonesia the cyber security is really weak, so they need to hire more 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 people who can secure the government's data on the internet.
Yeah.
So that's actually necessary, and I agree with that.
Are you agree?
Yeah,
Whoa.
because you know, have you ever heard that KPU website has been hacked?
Yeah, I heard.
And that's actually one of the who can blame is government. Why the security of that kind important website is really weak. So you need to hire more capable person to handle that website.
So you mean Menkominfo not capable for security?
Unfortunately, not capable
Oh.
because the previous Kominfo leader John Jiklet is arrested by the corruption.
Yeah, I liked it.
Yes.
And what? Yeah, that's maybe all for me and my partner.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berapa menit ini?